Hi, my name is Anna Arjun from BTC Curacao, and today I will be teaching you how to accept Lightning Bitcoin with a smartphone or tablet using the mobile application BlueWallet. This advice will be given to existing businesses on Curacao and will be recorded for online viewing. Before we get started, you need to have the following ready. You need to have an Android or iOS smartphone or tablet in your hand. As this presentation is for businesses, we suggest you buy a smartphone or tablet dedicated to use at the cash register if you do not already have one. Lastly, you need to have Wi-Fi access in your store or data on your mobile device. In this video, we will be talking about creating a Lightning wallet. Now let's step back a moment and talk about the reason for using the Lightning Network. The reason for using this Lightning wallet and the network is that it is convenient for transactions lower than 500 guilders because of its cheaper fees. So the normal Bitcoin transaction fees would vary between 5 to 10 guilders, but with the Lightning network, the fees can vary from 1 to 25 cents. So it's more convenient, for example, for transactions lower than 500 guilders. The Lightning Network also allows for faster transaction speed, and payments are instantaneously processed. While the normal Bitcoin wallet, it takes about 2 to 10 minutes to process transactions. This is the equipment you need to use BlueWallet. I'm going to walk you through the installation. You need an Android or iOS mobile phone or tablet. Then we are going to install BlueWallet, which is the name of the app I recommend for accepting Bitcoin as a retailer. The reason for BlueWallet is that it is open sourced, it is available for Android and iOS, it supports the Antillian guilders, and it's easy to use and reliable. And of course, it supports the Lightning Network. Now get ready for some hands-on learning. The QR code at the bottom right of the screen will take you to the Google Play Store. If you cannot scan that code, then go to the Google Play Store and search for BlueWallet. Please pause the video here and take the time to download BlueWallet. After BlueWallet is installed on your phone, you can unpause the video and wait for the next slide. Once you have downloaded the BlueWallet app, open the app for the first time. You can click Add Now or click on the plus sign at the top right corner to create your first wallet. Once you have done that, you will now see the option to name your wallet. You can put any name you like, or you can just leave it like it is and it will be saved automatically as My First Wallet. Click on the Lightning wallet and then click Create. In this video, we will be covering the Lightning type of wallet. In another video, we will go more in depth into the Bitcoin wallet and the watch-only wallet. You will now see this screen appear before you. This is the wallet backup. As you can read, it says this allows you to restore your wallet in case you lose it. You must click on the link below and it will automatically copy to clipboard. Then you can paste this link to a digital note or document that is backed up on the cloud. For example, in Evernote, Dropbox, or Google Drive to keep it safe. After you have copy-pasted it, click OK, I have saved it. Once you have saved your wallet backup, you will see your Lightning wallet appear as so on the left. You can now change the currency to florins. In order to do that, click on the three buttons at the top, then select currency, and change the currency to florins. Now that the wallet is created, it appears as so on the left. You must then click on it and then you will see the screen on your right. Next, you must click on Receive. Then the screen on the right will appear. Here you must change the currency to florins and input the amount you wish to receive. Then you can add a description and finally you click Create Invoice. After you click Create Invoice, the wallet will show you a QR code and a link at the bottom. The customer can scan the QR code to pay you. Or if you click on the link text, you can copy paste it and send it to the person for them to input in their wallet and send you the amount. And just like that, you are ready to accept Bitcoin using the Lightning Network. Okay, so now we're going to do the short demo. The phone on the left will be the owner's phone. The phone on the right will be the customer's phone. So we click on the owner's Lightning wallet. Then we click Receive. Fill in the amount we'd like to receive, for example 5 guilders. We add a description such as test. Click Create Invoice. Then a QR code will appear. And now we take the customer's phone and click on the wallet. We click Send. And then we click Scan. Take the customer's phone and scan the QR code. We will see the info appear. Then we click Pay. And just like that, we have received Lightning Bitcoin. Then we get a notification that the invoice was paid. Here we see the amount appear. And with this, we have reached the end of the video. If you have any additional questions, please contact us via Instagram or Facebook or via hello@btccuracao.com.